hurts every time. You're welcome. Wait, this one won't break.
Last Easter, I made some 3D printed eggs with money stuffed inside. They were hollow, but printed with a thick shell so that it took some crushing force to crack them open. I wanted to make something similar, but in a dollar bill shape. So like a little plastic rectangle that you could display in your room if you didn't need the money, or you weren't ready to crack it open. Like a piggy bank, something where you have the money, it's kind of in a frame, and then when you need the money, you break the frame and you pull it out. So the first thing I did to create this was to measure a bill, and all US currency is the same size. So just measured that and then converted it to centimeters, and opened up Tinkercad and started making two box shapes. One, a hole, like a hollow box that goes inside the solid box and creates a box that's empty, just a shell. So that went pretty well. So I added a $sign embedded in it, and then two long triangles to create like a weak spot on it, like a breaking point, a designed breaking point. So then I exported it, exported the file as an STL file out of Tinkercad and into Cura. Cura is a slicer. It takes a 3D model and slices it into 100 thin little layers that the 3D printer can put down one layer at a time to get your 3D object all stacked up. And we're counting on that with this design. Hey, here we go. 4 hours and 36 minutes. Okay. I accidentally printed this last night, and I meant to stop halfway and put some money inside. The goal is to print from here, print all the walls up to the top, and then before 3D printer prints the top, to shove money in here, and then let the 3D printer continue printing and seal it up tight. Pause the print. Usually wait till it's done with a particular layer. Resume print. Is the top going on? Money sealed inside. Here is it's a gift. Pretend it's from grandmother. Okay. Can you see what it is?
Yes, it's money.
Okay.
Do I actually get it, or is it just...
Hold it up, let's see it.
Okay. It's like a wrinkly $5 bill.
All right.
Like grandma.
Awesome. Thank you.